I'm cooking a really easy option if you've been on the road a couple of nights. It's called Zucchini Hasselback Parmesan Bakes. It's really simple. Zucchinis don't need to be stored in the refrigerator. All you need to do is have some Parmesan cheese, a bit of chili oil, a bit of lemon. You just slice the zucchinis up, add your slices of cheese between, some fresh herbs, a little bit of garlic if you have it, a wedge of lemon, and pop them on the campfire. How to impress your friends next time camping for dessert. Grab some bananas. We're just going to slice them out here like this. Going to make some delicious, gooey caramel bananas. We're going to load it with some chocolate caramel bits. Super easy. And then we're just going to pop that on the campfire, just like that. It's going to go all gooey and we can scoop it out. Just cooking some dinner. This is a really easy one-pan spaghetti, really great for a carbo load after a big hike like we've just done. All you need is a couple of onions, tins of tomato, chorizo, which travels really well when you've been on the road for a while, some fresh herbs, if you're happy to get some from the host garden, some garlic and some parmesan.